Hi, this is Jogendra Tuteja at Tuteja Talks Desi Martini, and today I'm here with you to share the box office predictions of Ranbir Kapoor and Katrina Kaif's Jagga Jasoos. There's something peculiar about Ranbir Kapoor films. कहीं ना कुछ delay आ जाता है, especially when it comes to his big budget films. I remember 3 of his films at the least which have gone through the same fate. अजब प्रेम की गजब कहानी, much loved film. Ranbir Kapoor, Katrina Kaif together. Film takes 2 years in the making. When it releases, big hit. Barfi. Anurag Basu and Ranbir Kapoor combination. Again takes 2 years to be made. Again an even better hit. Gets Ranbir Kapoor into the 100 crore club. Third film. Bombay Velvet. कौन नहीं जानता. 2 साल बनने में लगते हैं. 1 साल full on negativity चलती है. When the picture comes, the collections are disastrous. The film goes down like 9 pins. Still, 2 out of 3 films getting into the hit zone, good enough success rate. So let's start with Jagga Jasoos. And when we are talking about that, सबसे पहले Bombay Velvet को side में रखते हैं. So let's talk about the hit ones. Barfi, Anurag Basu and Ranbir Kapoor combination. Ajab Prem, Ranbir and Katrina combination. The two of them coming together with the director and this time making Jagga Jasoos. Now the good thing is, इस बार एक पॉजिटिविटी है पिक्चर की रिलीज में. लग नहीं रहा था. साल पहले तक लग रहा था रिलीज होगी नहीं होगी, बनेगी नहीं होगी, शेल्व हो जाएगी. इनफैक्ट टिल अबाउट 4-5 months back there were doubts around this. But then hats off to the conviction of Disney, Ranbir, Katrina, Anurag, everyone coming together and making sure that the film happens. As a matter of fact, जब रणबीर कैटरीना के ब्रेकअप की बात हुई तब तो बिल्कुल लगा कि पिक्चर डाउन होगी. And still together they have come and ensured that there's so much of positivity around the film when it's releasing. Not that it's becoming like a big budget Biggie entertainer. Big budget है, but Biggie entertainer का कुछ surety नहीं है. But still, at least the negativity has been taken care of. Now the good part about the promotion that I was saying is the manner in which the message has been communicated to the audience. ऐसा नहीं है कि पिक्चर कुछ और दिखा कुछ रहे हैं. There is this entire fantasy world which is there in Jagga Jasoos and the promotion has been true to that. रणबीर कैटरीना लव स्टोरी के अराउंड फिल्म नहीं रिवॉल्व कर रही है. इट्स अराउंड दिस एंटायर फैंटेसी वर्ल्ड. एज अ डिफिकल्ट फिल्म टू बी मेड, टू बी कॉन्सेप्चुअलाइज्ड एंड टू बी ब्रॉट ऑन स्क्रीन. Anurag Basu has his own ethos in terms of presenting the film, and at least that has been respected and shown by means of the promo. कितना आगे चलती है पिक्चर, कितना ऑडियंस उसको एक्सेप्ट करते हैं, कितना उसको देखकर सोचते हैं that is it a different thing. That's an altogether different matter. But at least the core messaging hasn't been tampered with. So let's come to the all important part कि day 1 कितना करेगी पिक्चर. Ranbir Kapoor's last release, Ae Dil Hai Mushkil, had brought in 13.3 crore on its day 1 despite the fact that it was clashing with Shivai. अब अगर जग्गा जासूस को देखे, ठीक है, पॉजिटिविटी है, मैसेजिंग ठीक जा रही है, people are looking good, frames are nice, big screen entertainer. However, to get anywhere in the vicinity of 13.3, which was Ae Dil Hai Mushkil, now that would be an added bonus for the film. Let's not expect so much from the film from day 1 itself. Let's say even if the film gets into the double digit score, which looks like it's gonna happen, 10 crore अगर क्रॉस करती है, that should be a good enough start for the film. Yes, budget बड़ा है. The film is really big budgeted. The film needs to score much better and much faster on an exponential rate on days to come. But अगर 10 करोड़ का start भी मिल गया, and if the positivity is there in terms of the core content, and children catch up to the film and bring in their families, the film can go a long way. पूरा हफ्ता पिक्चर के लिए है, open है, it can do well if the content is really there. So here is hoping for the best for Jagga Jasoos. We really want a big film to really do well for the sake of the industry, for the sake of the audience, for the sake of all the theatres, exhibitors, distributors and of course the audiences. This is Jogendra Tuteja signing off from Tuteja Talks Desi Martini, and here is hoping that Jagga Jasoos really does well. It's a biggie that has the potential to go past the 100 crore mark that's needed for the sake of the industry, for exhibitors, for distributors, for theatres and of course the audience.